Hello everybody and welcome to a new video. Today you're going to learn how to change the language in Crunchyroll. So, I must clarify some things here. You must open your Crunchyroll app and at the bottom of your screen go into your account. So, here in preferences, you have the audio language, the subtitle language, and if you want to show the closed caption. So in the audio language, I can change to English, for instance, but remember, not all the animes have that option. Probably the newest are gonna be in Japanese. Okay, it doesn't matter if you try to change these preferences in audio language to English, it's gonna be in Japanese anyway. So be careful with that. So in case the anime is older and it has a dub version, so probably if you choose that in the language to English, that anime is going to be played in English. So if you want to change the language of your interface, I don't know, of this word home to hogar, in this case, if you want to put it in Spanish, you must go to the settings of your mobile and go to change the language and input to another language. Okay, in this case, if you select Spanish, so all the interface in Crunchyroll is going to be in Spanish, and that's how you can change the language in Crunchyroll.